Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram if it is not opening on PC. So first of all, open your web browser, that is Google Chrome for me, and click on these three dots that is on top right corner and click on clear browsing data. As you can see, the cached images and files should be ticked, then click on clear data. After you have cleared data, go to your settings again, that is on three dot bar, and click on extensions. Manage extension. As you can see, everything is disabled. If it is not, then you should disable it. Again, click on the three dots and click on help. Click on about Google Chrome. As you can see, my Google Chrome is on the latest update. Now, last but not the least, open your Windows and type in cmd and open this command prompt on run as administrator. Now you should type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Now as you can see, the IP configuration has been flushed. Now your Instagram can be opened on PC very easily. Now just log in, then it will be working fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.